One question I often get asked by folks who are starting cleaning businesses is, what product should I use? There are so many products that you can buy, but realistically, there's only three things that you got to focus on. You need something that can disinfect. So it can be an all-purpose cleaner, but something that can really disinfect. That is important. Now, the other thing you need is something to degrease, whether you're doing oven cleaning, whether you're cleaning kitchens, anything that is greasy, you will need a good degreaser for that. So a lot of this soap will do the trick. So you don't need much more for that. The other good thing about this soap is you can use it for mirror cleaning and windows. You don't need to complicate it with glass cleaners. Now, last but not least, you need a product that can help you polish things. So like stainless steel. So this product right here, Barkeeper's Friend, works really, really well. Also works great for glass to get rid of that mineral deposit and all that fun stuff. So when you're looking at products, don't overcomplicate it. Get yourself a vacuum, a mop, microfiber cloths, and focus on the chemicals that can degrease, polish, and disinfect. That's all you need to get started. The rest you can learn along the way. If you still got your notepad out and you want to know a little bit more about the mops, well, what mop should you choose? I would say it depends on what kind of cleaning you're doing, residential or commercial. In most residential cases, when you're starting out, you don't need much more than a flathead microfiber mop, or you can go with the spin mops that some people love. I'm not a big fan, but you can use either one of these for residential settings and you'll be good for 99% of the cases. Now, that being said, if you're dealing with commercial stuff, get yourself a good heavy-duty commercial mop head. Now, this will cover most commercial cleanings. You might run into something when you're dealing with a rubber gym floor where this has to be a different material. But again, you can get into that when you get to that point. But when you're first starting out, those are the three mops that you should focus on. There's so many others that you can buy, and you don't have to overcomplicate it. Keep it simple when you start. You might think to yourself, well, wait a minute, what about all that fun stuff on your shelf over here? Well, we can get to that in another video, but right now, if you're starting out, you don't need any of this stuff. There's the beautiful canister vacuums like this Henry here. A lot of folks love using this one. It is a great vacuum, especially for small commercial and residential settings. You can use a shark vacuum like this, an upright shark vacuum. And if you don't like any of those options, you don't like upright vacuums or canister vacuums, you can get yourself a backpack vacuum. Simply toss that on your back like that, and you're good to go.